Welcome everybody, my name is Marcus Stone, and in this video you'll learn how you can add back to top for your site in Duda. So let's go. First, what you want to do is just scroll down below in the description and click on the link below. When you're gonna do it, you'll get on this site called Placeit. Placeit is an amazing company, and one of the widgets is back to top. Let's sign up for free, and when you will have it, you just need to sign up with Google or Facebook or normal mail, and then just click login. And now you need to write in search back to top, and you're gonna see here back to top, create a widget. And now you can choose which one you actually like. Like I'm going to choose this one here. Now let's continue with the template. You can change the icon here to arrow or whatever. Position, offset, okay. Now just click save. And before that, you need to choose a plan. If you're starting out, go with the 200 views. I recommend check all the applications. Or if you get like a lot of views, you need to get like $5 a month. That's not too much. Let's get a code. Let's go to settings, header HTML, saved. Nice. And let's just republish, publish with demo store. Let's wait for it. Let's see the site. And when you're gonna click up, wonderful. Look at this. Perfect, back to top. So this is how we can do it. I definitely recommend checking out all the applications pack, like Pro Pack or Basic Pack. I think it's useful. So that's probably it. Thank you. Have a great day and see ya. Goodbye.